What's up everyone, I'm Nick Wayne. Welcome to another BTO Sports Warehouse review. This review is going to be a fun one because Fox just dropped their MX2020 gear line. If you don't already know, Fox makes exceptional racewear. They always have. They're trendsetters, they're innovators in the sport of motocross. Now, this ain't going to be your half-hour gear review, not like the other ones you've seen before. This is just going to be reviewing the highlights of the 3 different sets of men's racewear in their 2020 gear lineup. That way. All right, so what we're going to start is the Fox 180 Feist. It is the first selection in the racewear lineup. I wouldn't call it entry level. I wouldn't dare call it that because it's just too good. It's just too good. The Fox 180 jersey actually felt like a jersey you'd normally pay double the price for. It's that comfortable. It has a moisture-wicking fabric that helps keep you cool and dry. Unlike other jerseys in this price range, Fox offers separate vented mesh panels from the sleeve all the way down for added ventilation. For added comfort, mesh collar and cuffs help make this 180 jersey so comfortable. The 180 pant is a performance pant that features not only a great fit, but great durability. True motion fabric panels for added mobility in the chassis and the knees for great performance and comfort. The pants have a really solid fit, and I may add fit a bit tight. I'm a 33-inch waist, and the 34 fit me just perfect. The Fox 180 gear, in my opinion, is the best value for motocross gear at the sub $200 price range. All right, so next up on our list is Fox's 360 gear. This is gonna be their Link gear. The Fox 360 gear has been in Fox's lineup for a long time, but it's been revamped for 2020. It is the workhorse of Fox's lineup for durability purposes. Let me go show you why. The Fox 360, right away you notice the upgrades in the materials as well as the durability and ventilation. The jersey fits true to size and features a true dry, moisture-wicking main body that has a soft, lightweight feel to help keep you cool and dry. Vented mesh panels down the side as well as the back for maximum airflow. Durable paneling improves the abrasion resistance on the jersey. The 360 pant was totally redesigned and therefore benefited from Fox's innovation. True motion stretch panels provide premium mobility and comfort around the tough 600 denier chassis. Double layer knee system with full grain leather knee panels for increased durability against knee braces. The fit is exceptional with rear flexible yoke that allows increased mobility while the waistline stays in place. The 360 will exceed expectations for the core track or trail rider. All right, so last but certainly not least is Fox's Flex Air gear. It is the premium gear for the premier rider. It's got everything. It's got the best material, fit, function, protection, style, you name it. If it was a sundae, it'd have the sprinkles on top, the cherries, and yes, even the animal cookies, if you're into that. The Fox Flex Air gear offers the best combination of ventilation and flexibility you can get for motocross gear. The jersey has an athletic fit, but it still fits true to size. The true dry main body fabric has a soft and lightweight fit with moisture wicking management. The active fit sleeves have laser perforated holes for added airflow with stretch cuffs for comfort. The pants are exceptionally lightweight and offer all the flexibility you could want with the True Motion always stretch chassis. Precision knee paneling provides a slim fit over the knee braces. The double layer knee system with full grain cow leather knee panels reinforce the otherwise minimalistic feeling the pant has. And again, the yoke panel on the back keeps the waistline in place as you move around on the bike. The Flex Air gear almost feels like you're not wearing any riding gear. It's a perfect 10 for comfort, mobility, and ventilation. Woo! Hands down, gotta be one of the cleanest gear sets you can get from one brand, head to toe. You're gonna look fast, you're gonna ride fast, fast as a fox. It's a science. I hope this video helps you decide which Fox gear is right for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We like to talk motocross here at BTO Sports. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna go battle with Ken Roxon.